Right now, we all have an opportunity to strengthen our relationships. And one way we can do that is by making the other person feel important. How do we do that, you might ask? With our time. Right now, spend the time. Maybe it's just the time to listen to that other person and hear what's going on in their world. Maybe it's the time to go over to their house and help them with a home project or do something with their family. Maybe it's the time you give them to work on a project, the help that you give them on a project. We all can make other people feel important by giving them our time. Who is it in your life you need to spend some time with this week? Spend some time making them feel important. This is a golden opportunity to strengthen our relationships. Take the time this week to make someone else feel important and strengthen one of your important relationships.